Hi and welcome back to my channel. I was videoing and then got an emergency message that came through, so I had already kind of started unboxing. But yeah, let's try to take this from the top. I did it again. I bought another bag. It was on sale and it was a Coach bag. So may I be forgiven for my purchases, but I guess I'm kind of helping the economy at the same time. I wish Chanel was open or there was a way to order from them right now, but there isn't. So Coach is getting my money, especially with these 50% off sales. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing done. Here's the dust bag. So I wanted this bag. I had actually had a really mini one of these bags for about 5 minutes 3 years ago, and it just wasn't working out for me, but I did really enjoy the shape and design of the bag. So when I saw this one and the embellishments on it, I wanted it because there's a little punk rock that lives in my soul and in my wardrobe. So this is a Dreamer, and it has the spikes on the front. They're not pointy spikes, but yeah, this is what it looks like. That's the back. The bottom does have Lafitte, and there's a lot going on here. I know this can be worn crossbody or on the arm, and I'll definitely get into a deeper video later about the wear and what fits. Obviously, I'm reviewless right now with these current Coach bags that I bought because I can't take them out. This one I think I can put my wipes and mask and stuff in just from looking at the interior of it. Right there with all the stuff. So I might be able to prep this one for my next trip out, which I have no idea when that'll be. But yeah, the black and the gold got me. That's my football team's colors. Like I said, this little Studley right here definitely spoke to the punk rock aesthetic in me, and I can wear it crossbody, and I could not beat the price. So if you're looking to make purchases, saving money, and you want a leather bag right now, keep checking Coach. They are doing it up. They are moving their product with these sales, and they're kind of taking advantage of the larger houses, some of them not being able to service their customers right now. I know Louis Vuitton is, Chanel is not. There were some earrings that I wanted, and I just can't get them now. But Louis Vuitton obviously is still open and as far as getting online orders done. So that's pretty cool. But I think Coach is really doing the right business move here by doing these sales and getting these bags out there to people that are sheltering in place and on home quarantine and need a little retail therapy, because there's nothing wrong with that. I will do another video showing you more of the bag, and I'll include that into a what's in my bag video so you guys can see everything. But I just wanted to unbox this really quick. I may not even post this today, but I have some other things that I'm working on this week. So while I had my face done up from something else, I decided to go ahead and unbox it right now. So yeah, so here's the crossbody shoulder strap. This is the holding strap, and I am pleased. This is exactly what I thought I was getting. I think Coach is back. I really do. And so I hope you guys have been able to find some Coach finds. I know a few of y'all out there on the gram went beyond the Cassie, and we're getting other bags as well because you just couldn't beat the prices. Go take a look and see. I mean, it won't hurt. It might make you feel better right now. I will see you in my next video, and again, I will get into this bag deeper and if I can fit my pandemic purse items in here. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed my little buddy that joined me. She's a mama's girl, and she really enjoys us being home. So you see, she sticks to us like glue. But I hope you guys are having a good day. I woke up today and I just felt really, I don't know, really positive today, and that's okay. There's a lot of sadness and everything like that, but today I just woke up just feeling good. And I'll take it. I'm going to hold on to this. I won't even go to bed when I'm tired as long as I'm still feeling happy. I have so much stuff that I need to get to, things that I'm working on with my channel and my Instagram and other things that I'm doing. So I'm going to hold on to this happiness today because I don't know how I'm going to feel tomorrow. But I really hope you guys are well and that your families are well. And if any of you has experienced any losses right now, I just want to extend my sympathies at your loss. Anybody that's separated from family, I completely understand. We have no family where we live, and we can't visit, and you know that's kind of tough. I mean, we're doing the phone and the FaceTime and everything like that, but it's not the same, especially when you have like elderly parents. We are all in this together, and we're all getting through it in our own way. And if it's being productive, and when I say being productive, I don't mean you need to build the Sistine Chapel while this is going on. But if productive just means you're following a good home routine of getting up, brushing your teeth, washing your face, putting on clean clothes, reading a book or something, then that's productivity. If you decided you wanted to dust off your resume and go into business, that's productivity. Just if you're mending relationships with people, that's productivity. So, and if you're just laying in bed, I understand. Just don't live there because it's not going to do you any good at the end. And if you're drinking wine every day before 9 and then at lunch and then at dinner, you might want to slow that down too. You want to be ready to get out when it's time to get out. So again, those are just my little hints, helpful hints, recommendations. But hey, who am I? Just a human being, right? I'm just a girl unboxing a bag for you guys. But I did want to put that in there because, I care about the world. So like I said, I hope everything's okay. I'm going to enjoy this energy today and this positivity. I don't know where it came from. Maybe my sister sent it to me. Maybe my best friend sent it to me. I don't know, but I'm going to take it for today. And I hope you guys have a lot of positive days. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. Please like and please comment. It gets really lonely in my comments. I like to talk to people. I will see you guys in my next video because she's starting to snore. So talk to y'all soon.